The first issue, Honorable Ma'am, is regarding this new 43B clause H. And you know, because you have been moving around the country, and this is the problem which is there throughout the country. The feeling is that perhaps the intent was to give the benefit to the micro and small, but the consequence is otherwise, as they are losing business, and people or the large industries are not liking buying from them because of this additional burden, is one aspect. And second, which was raised during panel discussion, was that why government is using income tax law to define how people should do businesses. For conduct of business, you have several other things. In income tax law, through insertion of this provision, he is to work out his working capital, that now I can do this business only when I have this much of working capital that I can pay everyone in 45 days. No matter my export proceeds, RBI allows me 6 months, but I have to pay in 45 days. So many businesses, either they'll be out, or they are seeing that perhaps government wanted to help them. That is becoming counterproductive. So whether there is any thought of addressing this, and how the government is thinking about this issue?
I really think I have to answer a question which is going to bring my typical nature on. I hope you watch what I'm saying. I'm accused of speaking bluntly. So pardon me if I sound blunt. Yes. Paying MSME within 45 days. I didn't bring it to the finance. It wasn't brought to the income tax. See, sometimes I feel, and now I feel that I'm talking to people who know it but who don't want to admit it. You all know it, but for some reason you don't want to admit it. The MSME Act for 8 years has said pay within 45 days. You all looked the other way because nobody was paying within 45 days. It's a law. And the MSME groups were constantly pounding the government, saying, nobody is obeying that, will you not help us? And during the year 22-23, a senior minister in the cabinet, Shri Nitin Gadkari, and very clearly voiced his concern, saying something like, I don't know the exact number he said, but very big, 7 lakh crores is spending for MSMEs. God knows who's not paying, what's happening. I immediately got my department together, and I said, please, let's go thread the wire into this. Where are the pendencies? Who's sitting over payments for MSME? I invited each one of the public sector undertaking and said, put your account before me. Tell me how many MSMEs you've not paid. So 22, 23, week on week I was doing only this and exerted as much as I could to say clear your dues within 45 days, and after that, that cycle should continue. Newer bills, newer 45 days and so on. But even then I couldn't total 7 lakh crores. Maybe it was with the state governments or state-held public sector undertakings. Over. Then I literally went back to those people who said, 45 days, no payment, you're not doing anything. I said, Bhaiya, I've done this review. As much as possible, we are now clearing it. And then if states are holding it back or private sector companies are holding it back, I wouldn't know anything about it. And I can't put pressure on them, except the fact that it is a law they are not obeying. Rightly, people who are waiting for money to come in time, tendency would be, Arey, but Sarkar kuch nahi kar pa rahe. So if we ask them, give us solutions, give us suggestion how to go about it.
MSMEs themselves suggested to us that they don't pay within 45 days. They don't even pay within that financial year. They pay probably the next financial year or sometimes even afterwards. But they take fiscal benefit because they show it as expenditure. So they themselves, the MSME themselves gave that thought to us. Saying जो MSME कानून में जो 45 days है उससे फायदा नहीं है. Brazenly it's being violated. मगर ये जब गलती हो रही है फिनेंशियल ईयर के अंदर भी पेमेंट जब नहीं हो रही आप क्या करने वाले हैं? So we have not denied anything to you, to your clients. We've said the year you pay, you claim that as expenditure. The benefit is still accruing to you, but accrue it will that year when you pay. उतना ही तो किया, क्या बवाल मचा दिया भाई. और ठीक है, vote on account this time. Did I bring this during the vote on account? No. Budget 23-24, 1st February 2023. 1 year whole passes quietly. Suddenly rightly, client's interest is important. Suddenly some chartered accountant said, "Hey, क्या हो गया भाई साहब, इस साल तो आपके account में." So the MSMEs started, the company started, not so much the MSMEs, they said, "ठीक है भाई, इनसे कभी नहीं लेना आपसे." So all MSMEs were told, "Look, we will not buy from you." So MSME के लिए रोना सिर्फ MSME और सरकार. दूसरे MSME से जो खरीद रहे वो भी रोता नहीं है MSME के लिए. There is a moral hazard now. They are saying, we won't take from MSMEs, we'll take it from people who have deep pockets, big industries. आपसे क्या खरीदना है? That argument now is put before me saying, अरे हमसे नहीं खरीद रहे हैं भाई. अरे you gave me the solution. So आपसे कौन नहीं खरीद रहा? दूसरा MSME और बड़ा कंपनी. So among buyer and seller कुछ भी गड़बड़ हो, problem is government. How do I handle this? How do I handle this? Okay, you came. हम नहीं, ये ठीक प्रिंसिपल है जी. देख लो जी कितना अच्छा बोलते हैं ना लोग. It's only me who is very blunt. Everybody else comes and says, नहीं अच्छा तो किया है, no doubt. अच्छा किया है जी, हम भी sympathetic हैं, मगर इस साल ना करो. और इस साल ना करो का मतलब क्या है? आप कम से कम वोट ऑन अकाउंट से पहले आते, क्योंकि this is कानूनन amended. I could have gone in and said, okay, this will be implemented from next year or something during the budget. हो गया, वोट ऑन अकाउंट के अगले दिन आए, नहीं आए. After some time, and what is that after some time? This is the election year. Lok Sabha was prorogued. मतलब हो गया, अभी लोकसभा का रेफरेंस है तो नया लोकसभा बैठने के बाद ही. मैं there was one group which met me and said, ordinance ले आओ जी. क्यों? ये तो आपके हाथ में है. I said, हाँ जी, मगर लोकसभा ही नहीं है. ऑर्डिनेंस में कैसे ले आओ? So you said one word, intent सरकार का मदद करने के लिए है, मगर देखो कानून में डालने के लिए सुझाव आया, डाल दिया. अगर वो रूल्स में होता, I could have amended it. No, you want to be sure that you're dictating to the government. हम भी मानते हैं. रूल में डाल दिया तो I would have corrected, but कानून में डाल दिया, I need the house to be there. So that's the story.
Thank you, ma'am. And
रेगुलर टैक्स अपडेट के लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। आप हमें टेलीग्राम ऐप CS सतबीर सिंह टैक्स सील पर ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं ताकि आप GST और इनकम टैक्स के रेगुलर अपडेट अपने मोबाइल पर ही प्राप्त कर सकें।